Your forecast here. We do have actually a little bit of a storm chance later on today. I think most of what we see will be in the form of just shower activity, but there will be some thunderstorm potential. Here to look at your statewide view, we've got some scattered shower activity up towards parts of San Angelo, Abilene, moving through the bottom there of West Texas into the Permian Basin. Live look outside here in central Texas from the Allied Medical Emergency Room camera there in Bastrop, showing good conditions. I mean, we're clear on the bottom and up top. We don't have any fog this morning. We do have a couple clouds in the mix over the next few hours, then those clouds get a little puffier and eventually drop some rain on us once we get past noon. But this morning it's just warm and humid. Temperatures right now upper 70s to low 80s. Compared to yesterday, that's a good 4 to 6 degrees warmer over the hill country in Austin Metro. Even the eastern counties are warm. So we're starting off warmer. I don't think we'll be as hot as that 102 we had yesterday. 102 yesterday afternoon was actually the hottest temperature we've seen so far this year. Today will be pretty darn close, so at 100 before those rain chances kick in later today. So between this morning and lunchtime, probably not a whole lot on our radar. But once we get into the later afternoon, daytime heating, we've got the moisture in place, a disturbance to our south. I think we're talking spotty to scattered showers this afternoon, evening, which for the most part disappear after sunset with the loss of the daytime heating. Maybe an isolated shower tomorrow morning, but I'm thinking tomorrow afternoon with, again, the same kind of player with the daytime heating. But a boundary coming in from the north tomorrow is going to keep in another round of showers and storms for us on Saturday. So between this afternoon and evening and tomorrow afternoon and evening, we're generally looking at about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch for those who do see rain. It's only 30% chance. So there's a good opportunity you don't see rain, but there's always going to be some isolated spots of more, especially because a couple of those showers could be slow moving downpours. I'm not expecting widespread river flooding or any of that. It's just going to be some of that localized nuisance flooding. Some of the parking lots might pond, some of the streets in the neighborhood might fill up with water, things like that, but it'll have time to recede as once we get into Sunday, our rain chances drop down to 10%, if that. Both days, upper 90s, Saturday, Sunday, 99 is average, so we're right where we should be as we start the new month of August. One thing to note, there's also an opportunity for some spottier showers on Monday. I don't think it's going to be a big deal. I don't expect it to impact very many of us, but that would be technically round 3 or 2.5, if you will. I think most of the rain we see over the next 7 days will come this afternoon and evening and tomorrow afternoon and evening. We shouldn't be looking at any sort of hail or tornado threat. I think if anything, it's just going to be the ponding that I mentioned. Highs in the upper 90s to low 100s all the way through Monday. Drier skies as high pressure moves in Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We get closer to that 100-degree mark again by next Wednesday. Erica?
All right, thanks so much.